Good day everyone, this is Ali DB from the Chart Trader. Today we'll be talking about gold in detail from weekly time frame coming down to 1 hours. I hope I help you master this pair. So our view was from the bottom to the upside. We said we are going to the 1800, and from there this structure can drop or go to the upside, continue to make new high. We'll explain this in detail when we come back to a small time frame. But for now, remember this top, okay? Because if you bounce from here, we are going there. We'll explain this more just once we break it down. So I just want you to see on weekly, we are going up. We are in bullish uptrend. See, pullback up. This is a pullback, and we're going up. So the only question is, what if? Because everyone knows market move in waves, okay? Sharp move in wave. That's how gap patterns. So what if we will have another wave coming to the downside, then we are going to the upside? There is possibility for this as well. That's why we said this is your strong area here where we should not break out of it. You will see on the number, I will give you the numbers where to watch when we break it down, okay? So for now, just remember this. Before break this zone, what I will give you later on, there is no buy setup. Okay, we will focus on this up down move because we can just drop from there heavy and come all the way down. Okay, something similar to this move. It can just happen here and then continue up. So we don't want to miss this one as well. That's why we came here to tell you what we expect, how we do forecast this, and how we do see it, and how we will manage it. Okay, let's break it down and go to daily. So as we see, we are going on trend line, okay, and we don't anticipate them to come to this box and come back at least to the trend line, and we will then watch this trend line with the break and continue down, okay, or reversal from here. That's why we said we'll be looking for sale at this zone. We don't want to be buying at this top and they drop. Even if the trend line, this is big, this is daily time frame, but this is big straight to the downside. So on daily, we are looking to the downside. On 4 hours, I try to make it as clear as possible, and I did put you two structure to watch out. So pink structure confirmed the bullish scenario. That one I just showed you on weekly and daily. And the green line here, red and green, is what we're anticipating to the downside. If you see this is playing out, we are coming down. So we will be at least coming to this trend line, and then we will expect they will break it and continue to the downside. But our trade will be to the trend line, wait correction, and sell again if we see a day. Let's not expect too much further. This is already too much. Another one once you to reach this, so we want this move, this big move to the downside. Where to start look for sell setup? Well, now we either turning from this point, and this is your one. Just 1 sec. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going down, okay? And we're going down. Then we have correction, small correction, and continue from here. But I'm just showing you what we're anticipating. Or let's delete this and tell you what. If you break this top, we are going to buy that last piece, but keep in mind you need to use stop loss somewhere here. If you break this break of this top, use stop loss, because if they break it, we could going all the way to the 1800. Remember this, we've been anticipating 1800 from a year ago, and we are almost there now. So we don't want to be dragging that last spike, because they can spike very sharp from here and come back down. But anyway, let's go to 1 hour and show you what trade we have for you in there. I think we have sell set up in there. Okay, if you see them breaking this, you will we will be selling this one. Okay, we're anticipating them at least coming to this, follow this trend line, okay, coming somewhere around 1758 and going to the upside from there. We will take this sell for a break even, take half profit at the bottom there and keep half, because this can be the one that goes. See, we have that possibility for 1-2, and this can be just 1-2 and we going. We can just fall sharp from here. Okay, we can just keep falling sharp. They doesn't have to do that last piece, but from my experience and point of view, I see them always spike to the upside before they drop. If they will drop fast, they need to spike fast to the upside first. Well, this is my experience, but we don't want to miss this, so we will sell this, break out and use stop loss above this top. You need to make sure you are using stop loss above this top. If we come back here, we are going up. Remember this, to the box. And this is big trade, you don't want to hold it. You better sell from the top again. So for this week, focus on this sell and this buy. And from next week, once we reach this top, we will find sell set up from there. We will not sell the top, we will find wide them to 10 and sell. Sell setup always be on 1 hour time frame, guys, remember this. Or buy setup or whatever you want. So buying above this top, selling above this bottom. Okay, keep in mind this can be only correction as well to go to the upside like this and continue. So that's why we say put break even or use stop loss above this top and keep it and see what happens. So now we are in key level. Market need to decide where they have to go now. Are they going to come here and go back up? And that's what I'm anticipating for you guys. So you have two possibilities. You can buy and sell within this. Okay. And if you get this sell, do not close it, put a break even and keep it, because this also can be the one that goes from here. Okay. This can be the one that goes. So I think this is clear enough for you guys. And now I'll leave you with this. And if you made it and still watching, this is a bonus for you. Let me show you what we did anticipate on the XY and how it's playing out. And still too early for you to find yourself buy setup. Watch, we did call this on the number. You see, they exactly came to our number. See, right on the bottom, and 10 from there. If you've been following me, you could get this trade from right at the bottom. We did videos per video on this one. If you watch on my YouTube channel as well, you will see we did call this bottom and it's turning. I think if you find buy setup, take it. This is still has a lot to go, at least a trend line, and from there we will watch it and see what happens. Okay, so Aussie as well. So AUD USD, we did call this trade here in my trading room, and we are in it. Watch it. Come on. Somewhere. So if you're enjoying this, guys, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think. We're giving you every top and bottom in here. Hopefully you're liking this. See, and we're still seeing this is going to the downside.